Guys, so today we're here in Mission Bay, or whatever it's called. Here it is, Mission Bay. And we're here where people fly their beautiful airplanes. They look nasty, man. They're so cool, guys.
Let's go see around.
We can see that big airplane.
Oh, this one is Luigi?
Oh, it's Luigi!
Cool.
Luigi's in the airplane. There's a jet.
There's
That's
a
the
jet.
coolest jet. So, there's so many.
Oh, we have another Luigi in here.
How are you?
Hi.
There's another weird kind. Oh, that's large. I never saw that airplane before.
Oh, look at
It
this.
has a real person in it.
Yeah, a little person on it. There's a lot.
There's a lot to learn about these airplanes. So, you can see the other airplane right there and another one.
Another one with a little person on it.
And there's an airplane over there. That's a cool one.
Oh, this is a small one.
This is a teeny. Oh, there's a person.
Little tiny.
Oh, there's like two
Oh.
little people. Oh, that's a soldier jet. There's two.
Awesome.
Another one.
And
There's a person.
be careful. Don't touch anything.
Every different kind of airplanes all the way over there. So now let's see how they fly. Oh God, it's so. Oh my eyes are blind.